Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cinematic glow text effect that I had gave away just a couple days ago. And somebody asked me if I do a tutorial on it and show you guys how I made it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I will leave the presets in the description below as well if you want to grab one. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. You can also get these by going to effects and right here and go to fusion. Get a background, turn the alpha all the way down. We can go to one viewer, get another background, and an ellipse, merge them together. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. And select the ellipse. Uncheck the solid. Set the border width to 0.002. Select the flat on the cap style. We're going to connect the width and the height together using an expression. So right click on the width, expression, grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it to the height and let go. And set the size to 0.2. I'm going to change the color so it's more visible, something bright. Put your playhead at frame 0. Take the length all the way down. Set a keyframe. Advance to frame 15. Turn the length all the way up. Go leave the playhead on frame 15. Get a polygon. Plug it into the ellipse. If you hold the shift key down and you make your line, it'll stay straight. And again, select the flat cap, the border width, 0.002. And delete the keyframe. Get another polygon. Actually, before I forget, I'll go back to the first one. It's a good idea to select this modify only tool. You're not likely to screw your polyline up that way. And back to the second one. Again, hold the shift key down. Flat cap. The border width, 0.002. And delete the keyframe. And select the modify only tool again. Get another polygon. Plug it into the other one. And again, modify only tool. I'm going to move that one down. It's way too high. I'm going to highlight all the points. And you can use arrows to move it. And again, select the flat cap. Border width, 0.002. And delete the keyframe. That's good enough for the tutorial. Select the first polygon. Make sure you're still on frame 15. Take the length all the way down and set a keyframe. Go to the next one. Again, length all the way down and set a keyframe. Now go to the third one. Do the same. Advance 1 second. That'd be 30 frames for me to frame 45. And take the length back up. Go back to the next one. And do all 3. Length all the way back up. Click away so you can see them. Highlight all 4 of them. Open your spline. And select them all. zoom to fit, select all, and F on the keyboard. Give it a play. Looks good. Highlight all 3 of the polygons. Right click, copy, and make 3 copies. Paste. And then right click on the background, 2, copy, and paste instance. And we'll do 3 more. Before we connect these, it's easier if we put these other ones in now. Select the background 2. Shift space and raise. I want this one, not the light raise. And with that selected, get a transform. Right click on the raise. Copy. Right click and paste the instance. And do 2 more. Right click on the transform. Copy. Click away, right click and paste the instance. And we're going to do 1 more of these. Now we'll connect these. And then select the merge. And flip vertical. I should have both sides down here. So check your underlay off and we can see it better. And merge them all together again. Select merge 3. And flip horizontal. And again, connect all them, select the merge 4, and flip horizontal and vertical. Now you should have the whole thing up there. Get a text node. Merge them together like that. Put the text you're liking in. And pick your font and all that now. Spacing. You're limited with space, so only so much you can do. Now we're going to connect the 2. So when we use the color for the text, it'll change the color for everything. So select the text node. Select the shading tab and pin it. Then go to the background 2 and pin it. Make sure you're on the background 2. Right click on the red, expression, and do the green and the blue. Then grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it down to the matching color of the text, hover over it, let go. And you can unpin them and select the text. Go to the text tab, make sure everything changes at once. And then pick a default color and select the raise. I found the weight and the exposure to be the only 2 I adjust. These will be in the macro, but set these to your liking for the default settings. Put your playhead back on frame 0. Select the text node, shading, take the opacity all the way down, set a keyframe, take the playhead to frame 15, take the opacity all the way up. Okay, I think we're ready to make the macro. Let's rename something here first. On transform 1, right click, group controls. Go back to the group controls. We'll set the default size to 0.8. Okay, now we're ready. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down Select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. And deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. Put group controls in front of center. On the raise, put raise in front of center. Background. Put background in front of color. This will allow you to have a gradient background, four corner or vertical or horizontal. Or it'll be transparent like it is now by default. And you can put anything you want under it on the timeline. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it the same because Resolve won't recognize it. Because they're both a settings file. And we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And if you click on it, you have all your controls. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.